Hi everyone, this is Gable Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa na ito reaction video ang Anes Chares, ang Kim Pao compilation. So I won't take any longer. Let's start this reaction video. Let's check it out what Kim Pao has to offer. Ay, very mag-asawa talaga sila.
Anniversary to all of us dito sa Discord community.
Ay,
Nag-shooting kami ngayon and we are here nagta-tracking. Ayan sila. Hello to everybody and hello to Pao. What's your message?
Thank you and congratulations for lasting for 2 years. Again, in Discord is a safe space for everyone to just enjoy, relax without all the negativity. Enjoy the space that we and you guys created for yourselves.
Yes, ikaw ang founder. Thank you. Thank you so much everyone for all the love, the support, and abangan niyo po yung bago naming movie, A Perfect Marriage.
oh, perfect marriage na pala ba?
Soon.
Hindi man ako founder ng Discord.
Hindi naman, gabi, marunong na talaga siya. Marunong na talaga siya. Mag-ano.
Hello, Discord fam.
Happy second year anniversary to all of us dito sa Discord community.
Ay,
Nag-shooting kami ngayon and we are here nagta-tracking. Ayan sila. Hello to everybody and hello to Pao. What's your message?
Thank you and congratulations for lasting for 2 years. Again, in Discord is
mag-asawa na talaga to. Oo.
just enjoy, relax without all the negativity. Enjoy the space that we and you guys created for yourselves.
Yes, ikaw ang founder. Thank you. Thank you so much everyone for all the love, the support, and abangan niyo po yung bago naming movie, A Perfect Marriage. Soon.
Dili man ako founder ng Discord.
Dili man ako founder. Ang cute niya doon.
Nakakapag-shooting kami ng bago namin pelikula.
Ay. Taray naman.
Hands down sa grupo namin, A Perfect
Abangan
Marriage.
natin yan.
Yes, abangan niyo po yan. Please, man lang, people.
Ang cute-cute ni Kim dyan. Ang cute-cute ni Kim dyan. Please, man lang people. Anyways, tingnan natin yung mga bagong atake ni Kim Chu. Ay, hello.
Discord fam.
Ay, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Pak,
Golden rule when you color your hair. Protect
Golden?
the color.
ganun ba talaga dapat?
Goodbye to brassy and yellow tone hair.
Bago na naman tong ano? Bago na naman tong endorsement?
But I color it
Ito ba?
or light brown.
Ganda ni Kim.
Can also cause dryness, fading, and dullness. So protecting a colored hair means being mindful of color maintenance.
Bongga talaga si Kim.
Damage protection. Perfect care for my perfect hair colors. Hair Fix Beat the Brass Purple Shampoo and Conditioner.
Ay, hindi kikilala. Hindi nga asahan mo. Pagkakatao. Ay, napapangiti na naman siya. Delikado tayo dyan for today's video. Charik! Very mag-asawa ang atake. Diba? Very mag-asawa na talagang atake nila, ma'am. We cannot deny the fact. Napapangiti na naman ako nang ito kang bulay na aking mundo. Masaya na talaga si Kim Chun Yung. Ay, ano to? Ganda. Hello. Maganda ka pa. Maganda ka pa sa tanghali. Charik. Ay. Ay.
Express our appreciation more. Our World Remit family have
World remit. Okay, tingnan natin si Paolo Abilino. Tingnan natin kung anong bago kay Paolo. Wait lang Paolo Abilino, tingnan natin kung may mga bago ba kay Pio Pio. Ay, hello.
Hello, Miss Mina. I just want to get you a happy,
Sino
happy
naman to si
birthday.
Mina?
Hope you enjoy your special day with your
Ayan,
loved
Mina,
ones.
namumuro ka na talaga. Charis. Ay, hello. Ay, yung mga lumang videos nila. Nakakamiss din panoorin yung mga lumang videos nila, in fairness. Stay yes. Ay, yes. Kay Kim Chiu lahat yan. Kay Kim Chiu talaga lahat yan. Di ba? Okay. Ay. Ay, oh. Pak. Diyan lang talaga siya. Ala, nakakamiss naman yung Kim Pao. Walang masyadong ayuda sa kanilang mga taping, no? Napaka super secret. Secret. Tandata. Kailangan kita. Ay. Kailangan naman pala. Ay. Ikaw? Ay. Patingin. Gwapo talaga ni Paulo. It's always the innocenting face talaga. Sa totoo lang, it's always the innocenting face. Ay, sa true lang, walang eme-eme. Na 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 da 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 di. Sabi. Sabi. Ay, ito talaga si Paulo. Ay, hello. Oh my God. Ang linis-linis ni Paulo. No? Super linis. Spaylet. Okay. Wala na. Anyways, that's all for today's video from Kim Pao. This is Kim Vlogs. See you on my next vlog. Bye.